Working on an 03 Oldsmobile Silhouette. We're putting a strut assembly on it today on both sides. We're just going to show you one because it's both procedure for the same, same strut. And it's the top of it. And the two screws will be the top on the hood. Got two bolts down here at the bottom. And it's cool because it comes with the strut, the spring, the dust boot, this top piece right here, this whole mountain piece. Car jacked up in the right position, in the right place on the jack with the frame. We'll take off our wheel with an impact wrench on here, ready to go. Okay, we got our wheel off. Now we're going to take the strut assembly off. We take a loose these bolts here, and we go up to the top of the strut, which is under the hood, and take out the three bolts up there, which I will show you soon. And let's get started. You might want to soak these down if you can't take them loose. I'm using air, so we're just going to pop them right off with the air. Now we're doing the three top bolts on top of the strut assembly under the hood. And there they go, way back up in there. So we got a, 15 millimeter with a little ratchet, gizmos. And we're going to get up in there and get them out. All right, let's do it. Okay, so now we got these nuts loose. I'm going to put these bolts back through this way and take this loose from the other side. Yes, we also took a jack stand and put under our frame here, and we got the jack under the lower control arm to take off some of the tension so the bolts will help come out easier. We got our jack support in the lower control arm so we won't mess up our brake line. Now we just pop the strut right out. Rear way we see the three bolt holes that our strut assembly goes to. We take the three bolts that we have on the strut assembly and match them up with the hose and push them in place. We start a bolt. We start a nut through one of the bolts when we get it up there. And here's the top of the strut assembly with the three bolts match, goes into the three holes. Three bolts tight and in place. Okay, we got everything back in place. Put our studs back in, our nuts, tighten these up. We tighten the three bolts on top, and we'll be done with that. Okay, we got our bolts tight, putting our wheel back on, and moving that jack stand. We'll be finished under here. Then we get on top. Okay, we got the wheel back on. As you see, our strut look nice and purty up in that thing.